What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at some quick wine information and how to pronounce the name of one of the most famous estates of the Pomerol appellation in the Bordeaux wine region of France. Of course, we are on the right bank with a Merlot dominant wine, pretty much all Merlot with a little bit of Cabernet Franc, 90% Merlot here. This is an estate that covers about 10 hectares of vineyards or around 26 acres. Château Le Gay's reputation has been increasing over the last 20 years quite significantly, especially with a 99 points out of a 100-point score for the 2010 vintage by Robert Parker's Wine Advocate, one of the top estates of Pomerol, Château Le Gay. So do not say Château Le Gay, because it's not how it's pronounced in French or in France. Château Le Gay, Château Le Gay, Château Le Gay of Pomerol. Here are more videos that you should watch next if you want to learn more about Bordeaux wines, Pomerol wines, everything wine you will find on this channel. I will leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.